Hi everyone, I hope you're well. In this recipe I'll be sharing how I make these crispy, healthy air fried pakoras using my Ninja Foodi. You can find the ingredients and the cooking method in the description box below. Make sure to click the subscribe button and let's get started. The first step that I've done is prepared everything that I need, and that includes chopping up all my vegetables. So for this recipe I'll be using some potatoes, some roughly chopped spinach and onions and coriander. You can of course mix and match the vegetables based on your own preference. In a bowl I have yogurt and olive oil, and I'm going to begin by adding my vegetables into it and giving it a good stir. Pakoras are traditionally fried in oil, however I've recently discovered that air frying them is also possible. Air frying is definitely the healthier option. It makes this recipe guilt-free and healthy enough to eat these as often as you like. Mix your ingredients really well with the yogurt and the oil. Next I am adding the onions and the coriander. Then I'm adding all the spices, and you want to mix everything in really well. In this recipe I'm not adding any water. The reason for that is because I'll be setting aside the mixture for about 10 to 15 minutes, and in that time the vegetables will release their own moisture. Next I'm adding a combination of rice and gram flour. You want to mix everything in really well with the flour, and then put the bowl to a side for 10 to 15 minutes and cover it with a plate. After 10 to 15 minutes, this is the consistency that you will achieve with the mixture, and these are now ready to be air fried. So get your air fryer ready and grease the pan really well to avoid the pakoras from sticking. Then you want to take 1 tablespoon of the batter and flatten it in the air fryer one at a time. So once that's done, I'm going to air crisp these on 200 degrees for a total of 12 minutes. After 12 minutes in the air fryer, this is what they will look like. They're perfectly crispy, full of flavour and ready to be devoured with your favourite dips. Thanks for watching. Head over to my channel where you can find more easy recipes. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Follow me on Instagram and tag me on any of my recipes that you try and make yourself. Until next time, take care, bye!